In this video, you're gonna learn how to make a magical developer product. Here you can see I have a magical health potion. Inside my magical health potion, I have a script. Basically, when the player touches this magical health potion, it's gonna prompt the player to buy a developer product. When the player clicks accept, it's gonna kick off another event. It is the process receipt callback. It's gonna connect to this function, and it's gonna execute this code here for the magical potion. Basically, it's gonna clone the magical health potion that I have from my server storage, which is right here, and it's gonna put it inside the player's backpack. And then we're gonna let Roblox know that the purchase has been granted. Now inside my magical health potion, this is a tool. I have a script, and when the player uses this potion, the player is gonna get max health. Let's now play test and take a look. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and get this tool. So I'm gonna touch this bottle here, and it offers me to buy this developer product for 3 Robux. Would you like to buy magical health potion for 3 Robux? Again, when you're testing inside Roblox Studio, this is a test purchase only, so your account will not be charged. I'm just gonna cancel. And you can see there's nothing happening, right? But now I'm gonna go back again and touch this. It offers me again to buy this magical health potion. This time, I'm gonna buy it. And it says, your purchase of magical health potion succeeded. Click OK. You can see I have a tool inside my backpack now. Now if I go and I should lose my health somehow inside my game, right? You can see my health is coming down here, right? So I'm about to die. So what I can do is, now I can use my potion. I have regained full health and my potion is gone because it is a one-time use only. Now if I go and lose health again, you can see my health is going down, but I have no more potion. So I cannot regain all my health back unless if I go and buy another dev product. So I'm gonna buy another one here. I get the new potion and I can use it again to regain all my health back. For more details on how everything works, you can go to the description of this video for a link to a complete tutorial on Roblox developer products.